Hello, I'm Mark,
I'm Javier.
and this is the second part to the What's in My Fridge challenge. I'm going to be giving Jordan her three different items that she's going to have to taste, and Javi.
I'm going to be giving Bailey 3 items from the fridge.
So what I have picked out for Jordan, her first item.
First item for me, they're outside blindfolded, so they don't
Know what's going on, but they might hear us.
This is the first one. Okay.
Second one for Jordan.
Second one for Bailey.
And the last one.
I don't know if they can see this, but it's cheese.
All right, we're gonna go get the girls.
We'll be right back. Oh yeah, sorry.
Oh, okay.
I'll walk in front of me, close the door.
Do I close it?
Yeah, switch hands if you want.
Got it.
What's your step? Just slowly slide.
Okay. Where's the chair? Chair. Okay.
Table. Okay, so wait.
Hi guys.
Wait. There's a little bowl in front of you guys in case you want to spit it out.
Oh, where? Okay.
Yeah.
Hi guys. Hi. I can't see you. Well, obviously we can't even see you when we record. Here, I'm just Okay,
All right.
let's do this. I'm scared.
So,
Should we take turns or
no, we just go at the same
just
time.
go?
Yep. Item one.
I'm scared.
Uh-oh.
I'm
Get
here.
it open.
I smell hot sauce. No. Jelly.
Open.
What flavor?
Grape.
That's correct.
Ooh.
Jordan, I feel sorry for you.
Is that the red wine vinegar?
Nope.
Oh, what is that? That was good. Can I have more?
You want more?
No, I don't want more, please. What is it?
You give up?
It's very sour. It's very gross.
It's apple cider vinegar.
Oh, great. Oh, yummy. Okay. Next.
Alright, next item.
I'm scared. Do I open my mouth?
Yeah.
Second one.
Mm.
Oops. You
Yeah.
can spit it out if you want.
Oh, I know what this is.
Yeah.
Wait, is this hummus?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you guess what kind?
I know this
Round two.
flavor. Roasted nut or something.
Yeah.
I know this flavor. I know it.
Cheers.
Oh yeah? Then why don't you guess it right?
Okay.
Yes.
This one was mustard.
It's mustard.
The texture just scared me at first.
Is it mustard?
Yeah.
Yes.
All right.
Okay, last one.
That's right.
Last
Yes. Ooh,
Mhm.
2 out of 3.
Okay.
Do I open my mouth?
Not yet.
Do I open my mouth?
Not yet.
I don't really know. I should have gone to sleep for this, but
Oh, great.
I'm gonna go to hell for this.
Oh my god,
Oh my
what?
god, that doesn't sound right.
Okay.
Say
Mm.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Is that tapatio?
You wish it was.
Oh, it's cheese. It's because I thought it was like lettuce or something. I was like,
What is this? Mark, what is
Alright,
this?
you guys
Red
can
Devil hot sauce.
I got 3 out of 3.
Okay. Can I take these off now?
Yep.
Thanks, Javi. You gave me,
Should we
you gave me
video?
an easy one.
All right. Oh, that was gross.
That was actually good. That was alright. Alright.
Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe.